Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's fantastic to have you here with us today. If you're managing type 2 diabetes or just looking for a healthy and flavorful way to eat, you are absolutely in the right place. We believe that eating well should be a joy, not a chore, especially when managing your health. Today, I'm thrilled to share a full 2,000-calorie, Mediterranean-inspired, gluten-free meal plan that's not only incredibly delicious, but also perfectly designed to be diabetes-friendly. This plan focuses on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and help keep your blood sugar levels stable. We'll walk through each meal, highlighting the benefits and showing you just how easy it is to incorporate these principles into your daily life. Get ready to feel empowered and inspired to take control of your health, one delicious bite at a time. Let's jump right in and discover the power of the Mediterranean way of eating. Let's kick off the day with a power-packed Greek breakfast that sets a fantastic tone for your blood sugar. We're starting with a delightful chia yogurt parfait. This creamy Greek yogurt provides excellent protein, while chia seeds add a significant boost of fiber and healthy omega-3s. Fresh berries bring natural sweetness and antioxidants, and a handful of chopped almonds contributes healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Just a touch of honey adds a hint of sweetness without overdoing it. Pair this vibrant parfait with a slice of gluten-free toast. Drizzling it with a little extra virgin olive oil adds healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health and satiety. This combination creates a satisfying, fiber-rich breakfast that truly helps keep your blood sugar steady and your energy levels balanced throughout the morning. It's a delicious way to fuel your body and mind. Next up, lunch. We're making a vibrant and incredibly flavorful quinoa and chickpea tabbouleh. This dish is packed with texture and taste. We combine fluffy quinoa, which is a complete protein and a fantastic complex carbohydrate, with hearty chickpeas for even more plant-based protein and fiber. Crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, finely diced red onion, and plenty of fresh parsley add incredible freshness and essential vitamins. Toss it all together with a generous squeeze of lemon juice and a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for that authentic, zesty Mediterranean vibe. This dressing not only enhances the flavor, but also provides healthy fats. To make this meal even more satisfying, we're topping it with perfectly grilled chicken breast. This lean protein source helps you feel full and supports muscle health. Enjoy a juicy orange on the side for a refreshing boost of vitamin C and natural sweetness, making this a truly balanced and delicious midday meal. It's snack time. We want to keep it light, refreshing, and crunchy to bridge the gap between lunch and dinner without causing any blood sugar spikes. Our go-to is a generous serving of creamy hummus, paired with an array of raw, colorful veggies. Think crisp bell pepper sticks and refreshing cucumber slices. These vegetables are packed with fiber and nutrients, and their crunch is incredibly satisfying. Hummus, made from chickpeas, offers a good source of plant-based protein and healthy fats, which helps to keep you feeling full and energized. To add another layer of healthy fats and a bit more protein, toss in a small handful of pistachios. This combination creates a perfectly balanced snack that keeps your energy levels up and your cravings at bay, all while supporting stable blood sugar. It's a smart and delicious choice to keep you going strong. Dinner is simple, hearty, and absolutely bursting with Mediterranean flavor. We're focusing on lean protein and an abundance of colorful vegetables. We're grilling a succulent and juicy salmon fillet, which is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory benefits and heart health support. Alongside the salmon, we have a medley of beautifully roasted Mediterranean vegetables. Imagine tender zucchini, sweet eggplant, and vibrant red peppers, all roasted to perfection. These vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and plenty of fiber, which is crucial for blood sugar management. We're also adding a small serving of brown rice. This complex carbohydrate offers sustained energy without the rapid blood sugar impact of refined grains. To complete this incredible meal, don't forget a quick and refreshing arugula salad. Tossed with briny olives and a bright lemon vinaigrette, it adds a wonderful peppery kick and another layer of healthy fats and antioxidants. This dinner is a true celebration of wholesome, delicious food. And to wind down the day, we have something light, yet incredibly satisfying and protein-rich. This evening snack is designed to keep you feeling full and nourished through the night. Enjoy a small bowl of low-fat cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of casein protein, which digests slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids overnight. This can be beneficial for muscle repair and satiety. To add a touch of natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants, sprinkle in a few fresh blueberries. Their vibrant flavor complements the creamy cottage cheese beautifully. Finally, a sprinkle of flaxseed adds healthy omega-3s and a little extra fiber. This simple, creamy, and satisfying snack gives your body the nutrients it needs overnight, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for a new day. It's the perfect way to end your diabetes-friendly eating plan. This carefully crafted meal plan hits that sweet spot for most people managing type 2 diabetes. It provides a balanced intake of macronutrients to support your health goals. We've kept the total carbohydrate intake within the recommended range, typically between 130 and 175 grams per day, which is ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The plan is rich in fiber, with plenty of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which is essential for digestive health and blood sugar control. You'll also find an abundance of lean protein sources throughout the day. This protein helps you feel full and satisfied, supports muscle maintenance, and further aids in blood sugar stability. This comprehensive approach ensures you're getting all the nutrients you need to thrive. By following this Mediterranean-inspired gluten-free plan, you're actively supporting steady energy levels, promoting excellent blood sugar control, and enjoying truly delicious food. It's a powerful combination for a healthier you. We hope you found this 2,000-calorie Mediterranean meal plan inspiring and empowering for your diabetes management journey. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It can be a joyful and flavorful experience. If you liked this video and found these tips helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from this information. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future diabetes-friendly meal plans, healthy eating tips, and empowering content. We love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below. What's your favorite Mediterranean dish? Are there any specific meal prep challenges you face? Or perhaps you'd like to see a weekly meal prep version of this plan? I've got you covered with more ideas and support. Remember, taking control of your health one bite at a time is a journey we're on together. Thank you for being a part of the BootDiabetics community. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.